Hello everybody, my name is Splurge. In today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to record and or live stream off of the Quest 2 and Quest 3 inside of OBS. Now inside of OBS you're going to see all of these sources, all of these scenes. For right now you're going to want to ignore all of these. We are going to start from scratch. So if you opened up OBS for the first time, you won't see any of this, you won't see any of this. The first thing that you're going to want to click on is this square box with a plus sign over in scenes. Scenes and sources. Scenes are the main place that you're going to have everything. Sources is what you're going to add on to the scene. Click on the plus sign. Name this one Quest. Okay. After adding Quest scene, you're going to go to sources. Click on the box with the plus sign. Add a display capture. Click OK. Choose the monitor that you want. After adding a display capture inside of your sources, you're going to want to head over to your web browser and go to oculus.com/casting. After going to oculus.com/casting, jump into your headset, click on the pink icon with the camera. After clicking on the pink icon with the camera, click on Cast. After you click on Cast, you'll see a drop-down menu for mobile or computer. Be sure to click on Computer and then click Next. So you won't be able to cast your headset if you're not logged into your Oculus account. Be sure to be logged into the Oculus account, the same as the one that you're logged into on your headset. Now, the most important thing that you're going to want to check off in settings, this is what you're going to see. This toggle wheel, you're going to want to check off widescreen so that it could be widescreen. You're not going to have those sidebars. You definitely want to check off this microphone here so that your audience can hear you if you're recording and or live streaming. This right here is so that you want to hear what you're doing. Your audience is going to hear you. So it comes out of my computer, so I have to turn down my speakers because it comes out of my speakers, but that's just so that the game audio can be heard. And then this is to make it full screen, and that's how you're going to want to check it off every single time before you go ahead and live stream. This one's to make those sidebars go off. This one's so that you can talk and be heard. This one's so that they can hear your game audio and hear your game. And this one's so it can make it big screen. You're going to want to do these each time, and don't forget every single time before you go to live stream or record, or they won't hear you or hear your game, and it won't look proper. So there you go. There you have it. After you do all those settings, you would have it like this. So now at that point, you checked off all your settings. You know you're good for live streaming and recording purposes. You opened up your OBS. Once you click on your web browser, it won't have the bottom or anything of OBS like you're seeing. This is just for me to demonstrate what it would look like. So the game is open and running, and OBS is recording and capturing my game audio and voice. The last tip that I would want to recommend that anybody would want to do is that inside of this is just going to be in regular audio. So you want your audio about 50% down here so that you wouldn't have to adjust it in any of the games that you play. A lot of the times when you're recording in this method, you're going to be playing a game, and the game audio or your friends' voices are going to be much more louder than yours is. Now to fix that, you're going to want to lower your main audio. So what comes out of the game? The one at the top is the game. The one at the bottom here is my microphone. That's how you're hearing me. Only one you're going to have to worry about is the one at the top, and you're going to see it flickering just like the Yeti's flickering right now, but when you're playing a game. And that's why I keep it lower. You hear me a lot less, and that's how the game audio would work out. If the game audio is full blasting and you're not being able to hear yourself, well, that's why I always recommend to keep this audio for your game around in the 50-60%, so that your voice can overpower the game audio or your friend's game audio that comes in through the Quest. And that wraps up pretty much everything that comes down to if you wanted to record or live stream anything on a Quest 2 or any Meta headset like the Quest 3. If you have any questions, be sure to let me know in the comments below. Thank you again. See you on the next one.